Welcome to English News for Learners. Today is June 6th. We have 3 interesting stories from Japan. We will look at renewable energy, AI technology in retail, and a digital art project in a garden. Let's get started. Fukushima ni Shin Energy Park. A massive solar and wind energy park has opened in Fukushima Prefecture. It is a very large project. The site covers 150 hectares of land. It was previously unused industrial land. Now it is a center for green energy. This facility generates enough electricity for 30,000 homes. It produces 20% more power than older facilities nearby. This is a great step forward for the region. It significantly reduces local carbon emissions. This helps the environment in a big way. The project is not finished yet. Engineers plan to add battery storage by 2027. This will make the energy supply more stable. The region is becoming a leader in renewable energy. It shows how Japan is moving toward a greener future. This is a very positive development for everyone. Next topic. AI 10e door new. A major department store chain in Tokyo has a new idea. It has introduced AI robots to help shoppers. These robots are now working in 10 flagship stores. There are 50 robots in total. They are very smart machines. These robots can speak many different languages. They guide customers to the products they need. They also help people move through the store. This makes shopping much easier for international tourists. The service is very helpful and efficient. Does it work well? Yes, it does. Customer service wait times have decreased by 40%. That is a very large improvement. The company plans to expand this to all stores by the end of the year. The robots use advanced language models to communicate. Technology is making our lives more convenient. Moving on to our final story. Kanazawa's digital art. A famous garden in Kanazawa is using new technology. It is using digital projection to recreate the past. The garden shows its appearance from the Edo period. Visitors can now enjoy this at night. It is an immersive, historical experience. The team installed over 200 projection points. The garden is 5 hectares in size. This is the first time they have used light art here. It brings the old garden to life. The colors are beautiful and bright. Many people are coming to see it. The project is expected to attract 50,000 new visitors this season. The light show runs every night until October 2026. This is a nationally designated site of scenic beauty. Technology is helping us see history in a new way. It is a wonderful mix of old and new. That is all for our news today. Today, we learned about a new energy park, helpful AI robots, and a beautiful light show in Kanazawa. These stories show how technology helps Japan change and grow. Keep practicing your English every day. You are doing great. See you next time.